we got the Traxxas Mini Max, and in this video, we're going to modify it. Well, it's actually called a Traxxas Max, but I call it a Mini Max because it's a mini version of the mighty X-Max. The world's best RC car, in my opinion. And the Mini Max is just as good, but it's a lot smaller. Now, one slight downside is that on high grip surfaces, it can roll over relatively easily because it's relatively narrow. So, you can get the Traxxas Wide Max kit. So in this video, we're going to fit it, then take it out for a rip and see if it's any good. Also, you guys told me that the plastic drive shafts, once you put the Wide Max kit on there, it makes them too long and it makes them weaker and they break. So we've got some heavy duty steel ones. I'm not going to bore you with all the techno babble, so I'm just going to put a link down below where you can get the car from, where you can get the upgrades from, and we can get all the specifications. Also, in the last video that we had it out, we broke the rear bulkhead and the rear skid plate. So we've got to fix that too. Have you guys noticed how much better my skin's been looking recently? If you have, it's because of this. Tiege Hanley skincare for men. So I know a lot of you guys don't take your skincare seriously, but your girlfriend is not going to thank you if you have fingers like a wire brush. So this skincare system is fully customizable. You can go on their website and you can choose whatever products you want to tailor your need. Then you get these handy little instructions for a morning and a night routine. Super simple, super quick, and it makes your skin a lot firmer, a lot more supple, and looking a lot younger. Now, my personal favourite is the eyes because it gets rid of black bags and puffiness. I also like the hands because it moisturises your skin, makes your skin feel a lot younger, which is especially important when you're working on oily, greasy stuff. It can have a habit of drying out your skins. This is going to replenish it. As a member, you'll benefit from free US shipping and cheap shipping around the rest of the world, and also you'll receive a free gift. And you get amazing value because you buy from Tiege Hanley directly, cutting out the middleman. As a member, you've got complete control over your skincare, so you can mix and match all these products as you please. Plus, you also get a fully refundable refund guarantee and easy cancellations. You've got nothing to lose. So if you click on the first link down in the description box, you can get started with Tiege Hanley for just $25, and you also receive a free gift with your first order. So click on the link down below, check out Tiege Hanley, your skin and your girlfriend will thank you. So thank you to Tiege Hanley for sponsoring today's video. Alright, that's enough waffle, let's get wrenching and then we'll take it out for a rip. Yes! That was nice and easy. So now, let's have a look at the Wide Max kit. So the kit comes with lower arms, upper arms, new tie rods and new springs. So the new springs go on the rear, and then the rear springs go on the front, and the fronts we don't need anymore. That's what it says here anyway. Now mine's an old Wide Max kit, so that means no drive shafts. The new Wide Max kit comes with extended drive shafts, but we got the metal ones. Check out these drive shafts, guys. That looks so much better than these plastic ones. But to be fair though, these plastic ones so far have been 100% reliable to me. So we get the drive cups, bearings and the pins. Annoyingly, when the bulkhead broke, I lost a little piece of plastic that holds these pins in, so I'm going to have to try and make something for now. Temporarily, that is going to have to do. Right, that's one side on there. I'll do the other ones off camera and I'll get you back on once they're all on there. Oh, postman! We'll have a look in here a little bit later. Boom! There we go. Got it all back together again. Got all the Wide Max on there. Got the steel drive shafts in there. The bulkhead fixed. All we got to do now is get the wheels back on, and then we can take it out and give it a rip. I'm going to put a link down below to all these parts that we used for this conversion. But anyway, enough waffling, let's go rip! And when we get back, we'll have a little look to see what's inside these parcels. Here we are on location. We got Nobber in the house. We got more crew over there. Next, we'll hit the racetrack, but first, let's have a quick warm-up lap, and then we'll go for it. Hello, anyone there? Race time! Ready, steady, go! Come on, Mini Max, you can do it! Got the wide Max on there, definitely handling a lot better. We're in third position, I think, or maybe fourth. I don't think we're in third. Oh no, we're getting overtaken. Come on, Mini Max, you can do it! Flat out! Oh! I don't know what position we're in, probably like 10th now. Am I second? Am I? Hey! Tumble wumble over the finish line. We've got a good idea. I'm trying to get everybody, trying to convince everybody that half of us go that way, the other half of us go that way. Ready, steady, go! But there's going to be some head-ons coming on in a minute. Oh no! Oh no, there's carnage over there. Oh dear, Mini Max hits the next Max. What a naughty boy. Oh look, we're trying to get out of it now. You just broke a child's car. Hope you're proud of yourself. And now comes along the dad to tell off the other dad. Dad is furious. So we're going to keep it fair this time. Look, Mini Max, X Max and Centon. This side we've got X Max, Mini Max and the Pirate. Ready, steady, go! The first to get over 2 laps wins. Alright, now we get into the straight, the dangerous part. Oh no, that is scary! Oh my god. I could win this. It's the first to complete 2 laps, and this is the last bit of my second lap. No, I win! Well, where's the line?
Kev thinks the line was over there.
Yeah, I suppose it does depend where the line is. Where is the line? There. No, I reckon the line was there. Comment down below, who won? There we go, we get our charged up, and then we're going to hit the skate park.
Front wheel's gone.
What happened?
What you do?
Oh, I was hoping to go home today with no breakages at all.
You cursed yourself, you said it, mate.
Oh, broke the drive shaft.
Oh, Jesus. What was them words, Kev? It's nice going home with nothing broken.
Yeah, well, it is nice to go home with nothing broken, and the Mini Max let me down this time, but that's all right, we'll fix it and we'll go again. Oh dear, look, what happened there? That is a screw in there. We are back in the Vinskinity. Let's have a look to see what we got inside these parcels. Oh, look at that. We got a UDR body. And we got a few spare parts for the armours as well. We got a new Outcast body, 8S bulkheads, 8S bumper, a few bits and pieces to repair the Project 203 model now at RC Car. This is my pride and joy, guys. I can't have it all busted up like that, look. UDR is definitely looking tired, so that new body's going to make it look all nice and new again. We're going to have to change the wheels because the red's going to clash. So next, if you click on one of these videos here, I will see you over there in a minute.